It's another celebration for you, another year. We are so blessed to have you as a friend to my family and as a brother from another mother to my husband. We love you as a family. The SHAIBU family loves you, and we always wish you well. As you celebrate this year, I pray from the depth of my heart that God will bless you. I pray that you will grow from strength to strength. I pray that as God has given you this wisdom to be able to reach out, that you will reach out to even more persons. I pray that all that you desire in your heart, especially the ones that people don't know, because we all run to you, that God will grant it unto you in the mighty name of Jesus. A very, very happy birthday to you. And also a shout out to Mama, my friend. I am hailing you. God bless you.